So, what am I using AI for as someone living with neurodivergence, trying to maintain relationships, connections, and a sense of community, while also being a full time employee and an entrepreneur? Let me tell you, everything I'm sharing here comes in no particular order, and these tend to be the things that work well, generally speaking, whether it's for things related to work or to personal life. First and foremost, I use AI for something called capture. If you are into productivity or you do any sort of research for work or school or any sort of learning, it is simply gathering all of the information, all of the pieces that you want to consider. And yeah, I use AI to help me do a lot of that research, aggregate a lot of stuff in a shorter amount of time. And yes, even compress that information so that I can digest it very quickly to determine what's my priority and what am I going to use it for or not. But I also use it to capture everything in here. I use a feature called voice mode. You can find in ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini. And lately I've been using apps that aren't AI apps, but they have an AI powered voice feature that lets me just brain dump all of the parallel and lateral connections of thoughts that I have in my head, and the AI can keep up with those and help me kind of organize them in a way that then lets me determine what am I going to prioritize and what am I going to pursue. The second thing I use it for is just voice notes because I am tired of typing, either with my fingers or with my thumbs and staring at a damn monitor. I also tend to think and speak faster than I can type, which is why my handwriting is kind of atrocious. Also, I love the fact that I can use voice features while I'm out walking, which is great for my proprioception and my nervous system to be talking and thinking at the same time. And I have a learning style where I tend to retain more if I am externalizing what I am processing. And then I also use AI to help me synthesize things. What do I mean by synthesize? I mean process, really work through, really understand, really massage. AI doesn't get sick of me asking questions, doesn't roll its eyes at me, doesn't tell me I'm stupid, which happened, by the way. A teacher once called me stupid because I kept asking questions because I didn't yet understand. And for once, there's like no shame or judgment in that process, in that pursuit. I have trained myself to critically think with the AI by using a workflow, basically a process of how I think things through that always asks, what am I missing? What are the gaps? What are some other ways that I should be looking at this that I'm not? Artificial intelligence has become a tool in my cognitive operations, and it's been really positively impactful in how I work in both work and life.